Yo, what's good? This is just a real quick demonstration of how to get Nefertiti installed on your Macintosh. Hopefully this will translate to PC. I'm just going to go right into it. Let's download. Don't worry, I almost gave up, and I'm glad I didn't, because this thing, it's awesome. It shouldn't be free. I'll just say that. Okay, so first things first, don't double click on this. You're going to need a terminal window. And if you haven't used terminal, that's totally fine. Type in cd, that's change directory. And I'm in my home folder, so I'm going to go to my desktop. That's where this is located. You can see this, desktop. Okay, and to go backwards, by the way, cd, spacebar, period, period. Okay, did you see that? And then let's go back to the desktop. ls is like, you are here, right? I typed in ls, return, crypto trader, shortcuts. Look, that's my desktop, okay? Cool. So, period, / crypto trader. Okay, that's how you power this app on. Here's the deal. This is where I got stuck. When you hit enter, look at this. A bunch of stuff about it. You'll learn about this later. And then the app just turns off and I'm back to my terminal. So this is what you're missing. Syntax, okay? I went through the Telegram group. I spent an hour, and I went all the way back to January 2019, and I made a text document of like all the syntax. And so this is my current cell bot. So check this out. I'm gonna copy this, paste it in here. Now imagine this. Let me expand this. This is like my entire cell bot is like one string of text. So let's just go from start to finish, period, / crypto trader, sell, -- exchange equals Binance. And you can get a list of supported exchanges. I'm not going to talk about how to access this information. That's all in the Telegram group. That's all in. Anyways, let's just keep going along. -- strategy equals 1. This is optional. This is a trailing take profit strategy, which you will learn more about maybe in another video if I feel like making it. -- mult equals 1.015. This is adjusting my take profit and my trailing take profit. So now instead of I think it's 10% take profit, 5% trailing stop, this is a 3% take profit and 1.5% trailing take profit. -- hold equals BNB ETH. I want to hold my BNB. I do not want to have the bot sell all my BNB because exchange fees and whatnot. -- API - key equals ****. Okay, if you see a ****, you got to delete that and fill that in. This is a placeholder. You got to fill in the blank, fill in the doctor's forms. Go to your exchange, Google how to get an API key if you don't know how to do that. And make sure that withdraw is unchecked. I repeat, make sure that withdraw on your API keys is unchecked. You will need trade checked. And -- Telegram app key. So this is going to prompt you for pushover. Pushover costs a fee, but the developer recommends it. And I do get delayed notifications on my Telegram bot. I had to also talk to the quote unquote bot father. So I may make a video about that. It's kind of confusing, but this is how my bot is going to communicate what it's buying and selling. And so I'm going to hit return. And this isn't going to do anything because I've got stars instead of actual keys and whatnot. And then let's take a look at my buy. Period / crypto trader buy -- exchange equals Binance -- signals. This is optional. I can get signals from a website. They have multiple signals available, and I'm using cryptobasscanner.com. You will need to put your signals API key in the syntax. And then this is a new feature, dash dash price equals 0.015. That's how much Ethereum that I'm going to spend. And you can use size equals and then however many of the coin that you're going to be quoting with your base coin. So if I say size equals 4, that means if I'm trading XRP against Ethereum, that means size equals 4 is like 4 XRP. This way, I'm saying price equals 0.015 Ethereum's worth of XRP, if that makes sense. Dash dash repeat equals 0.0084. That just means I'm going to be checking these signals every 30 seconds, but you should read the Telegram group because they talk about how repeat needs to be equals 1 or repeat needs to be 0.3. This is exclusive to this signals. Otherwise, it will actually mess up the original strategy that it already has. This was just added, dash dash risk underscore level equals. So 3 is default, 2 is conservative, 1 is ultra conservative, and you can guess 4 and 5 are like taking really risky signals because this bot will actually not take a signal. It's programmed to not take a signal that's risky at 3. So you have to boost your risk level up to 4. Dash dash risk equals 3. That is right down here. That is risk 3, improve DCA strategy. So if you don't know what DCA strategy is, just Google DCA strategy trading or DCA strategy QFL. QFL stands for Quick Fingers Luke. That's Luke is spelled Luc. And you should just check out his videos in general. It's dollar cost averaging. And so in this case, if my risk was 1, I'm going to double my order size. And then are you nuts? I'm assuming that you're like putting on like even more positions at larger sizes of your Ethereum that you're going to be spending. So like high risk is going to be like 0.015, and then the next signal down it's going to be like 0.3. DCA is kind of like a blend between, you know, the two of these, but Google it and you'll learn more about it. And then here's my API key, API secret. Please replace these stars with your actual API key. Telegram app key, Telegram chat ID, crypto-based scanner key. And so I have to fill in everything that has a star. Copy that, paste it, return. Optional, I hit return again. And look, it is connecting. That's all that we care about, is that it's connecting. And yeah, the bot that I'm working on, I mean, I'm just working on it right now, but it catches some really great trades. Like this one was like, you know, just under 2%. I was refreshing the app. For some reason, it doesn't have an arrow right there, but I mean, I would have never caught that. I was driving home. Here's another, just under 1% after fees. I think there was this one as well. I mean, come on. I could set up a bot that just buys, right? And then I could handle what to do with the sells. You know, that's powerful. And you can run multiple buy bots. And so I could just have a conservative, this is like very conservative. And, you know, I could run a buy bot when I'm home and I'm trading and I want to get into specific trades for a specific coin. I mean, this is awesome. I can't really stress how valuable this is. And that's why I'm making this video, because I'm just paying my dues, paying it forward, hoping that more people get to use this. It's available right now. Get it. I'm going to be crushing it. And also, I mean, like, what was some of the other syntax? Test. You can test distribution distance between your orders. I mean, like, the customization on this is just sick. Like this right here, this is a joke. I mean, you're just going to be like customizing this. It's going to be like, it's going to be sick. Multiple buy bots, different sell bots, different exchanges. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, and I hope you do too.